Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your character on the Temple Run game. So let's get started right away. First of all, when you open up the Temple Run game on your device, you will be taken into the main menu directly. Now, if you are playing the game, then you will notice that you will first be able to start with the default character that is provided to you within the game. Now, if you wish to play as any other character, then you will need to unlock them by using the coins that you have earned within your game. You can tap on the upgrades button, and you can also find this within the main menu. Once you tap on upgrades, you will see various different upgrades that you can buy. If you scroll down from this page, you will see different characters that are available to you. If you have enough coins, then you can simply tap on the unlock button, and if you don't, then you will be asked whether you would like to get more coins. You can tap on the yes button and proceed to purchasing the coins. And after you have enough coins, you can simply unlock the character and equip this character in order to start using within your game. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your character within the Temple Run game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.